Imagine a world where sleep is no longer part of your life. What if you could stay awake all the time? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if it's actually a nightmare in disguise? Sleep has always been one of the greatest mysteries of the human body. Every night we close our eyes, enter a world of dreams, and rest our minds and bodies. But what would happen if we decided to stop sleeping altogether? What could be the effects, good or bad, on our mind, health, and the very way we live? Let's start with the basics. Sleep is essential. It's our body's natural reset button. When we sleep, we give our brain time to process information, repair tissues, and refresh the immune system. But what if you took that away? Could you replace sleep with something else? Could you be more productive or experience time in a completely new way? The first few days without sleep might feel exhilarating. You might feel like you're unlocking a new level of human potential. You could get so much done, right? But soon, your brain would begin to malfunction. The lack of sleep would cause hallucinations, impaired judgment, and decreased cognitive function. You'd begin to forget things, lose track of time, and experience mental breakdowns. Your immune system would also start to crumble, making you vulnerable to diseases. But what about long-term? A lack of sleep over weeks, months, or even years could completely alter your brain chemistry. Your body's inability to repair itself could result in chronic illnesses, including heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Eventually, your brain might begin to shut down, and the longer you stay awake, the harder it would be to go back to normal. Psychologically, things could get even worse. Imagine living in a world without dreams. No escape from the daily grind, no rest for the mind. Sleep deprivation would result in extreme emotional instability. You'd become irritable, anxious, and perhaps even paranoid. So why would anyone even consider it? The idea of never needing sleep sounds amazing, right? More time for creativity, learning, or even achieving monumental goals. Imagine what you could accomplish if you never had to rest. But the price for that would be steep. What if we could train ourselves to go without sleep? Or better yet, what if science could help us unlock ways to function without it? Could humanity evolve into something beyond its natural limits? Would you trade your precious sleep for endless wakefulness? Or would you accept sleep as a vital part of your human experience, knowing that it's what keeps you healthy, sane, and alive? Share your thoughts in the comments and join us on this journey.